In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your home address on Google Maps. So if you use maps all the time, going from work and from home and all this stuff, and you just want to have your home address sitting there ready to go, it's easy to do. So once you're here on your actual homepage of your Google Maps, you should have an area here right next to Ask Maps. It should say Set Home. You'll be able to go from there. But what we can do, just in case you don't have it, is go ahead to the search bar. And then what that's going to do is show you where it says Home, Set Location. So go ahead and click Home. And then we can go ahead and choose an address. I'm just going to type one in here. And then we can just pick something here just for this example. And once it's in there, it's going to set that location and then go ahead and hit Done. And now the home area updated on your Google Maps. So if we were to go back to the Maps page here, and then go ahead and click Home, it's going to automatically have that address ready to go. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to set your home address